Okay, now you see this is LEDMAN new product range. We call it LEDHUB, LEDHUB. It's all-in-one system. Why? It's all-in-one. It's a built-in operation system, Android and Windows. So this you can treat it as a big smart tablet. So we can use the finger to touch it because we integrate the infrared overlay. So we can click here and click here. Oh yeah, annotation. Now we can draw here, yeah, just like that, and even we can save it here. Click here, okay. And I would like to show you the smart gesture. We can use 2 fingers. Yeah, we can call the whiteboard here, so we can make some quick notes in the meeting. 1, 2, 3, something like that. And we can and go to the full screen mode. Yeah. Select the color here. Select the color here. Yeah. Different color here. Or split it into full screen mode. Yeah, we can write here. Yeah, just to do that. Yeah. And just use the palm as the eraser. Well, you can check our website, yeah, for more product information. Thank you.